Lincoln BlueCruise technology, also formerly known as ActiveGlide, provides you with the ability to take your hands off the steering wheel while keeping your eyes on the road. Lincoln BlueCruise hands-free driving is available on pre-qualified sections of divided highways called hands-free blue zones. These blue zones make up over 130,000 miles of North American roads. In order to use BlueCruise, you need to be on a mapped highway and lane lines need to be visible. BlueCruise uses an advanced infrared driver-facing camera that will track your eye gaze and head position to confirm your eyes are on the road while driving hands-free. It is important that your seating and steering wheel position are adjusted so that the camera can see your eyes. If the system determines that you are not paying attention to the road or have not resumed control when the system expected you to, it will issue a series of visual and audible warnings to get you to do so. See your owner's manual for full details on things that can interfere with BlueCruise proper operation. If you do not respond to the warnings appropriately, Lincoln BlueCruise will cancel, activate and release the brakes, and slow down the vehicle to low speeds while maintaining steering control. To activate BlueCruise, you must first activate the modem via your Lincoln Way app. To do that, open your Lincoln Way app, add your vehicle if you haven't already by scanning the VIN located on the lower front windshield of the driver's side of the vehicle or on the inside of the driver's door jamb. Activate the modem on your center screen by following the prompts. Once your modem is activated, turn on Adaptive Cruise Control and Lane Centering Assist to activate BlueCruise using your vehicle's touchscreen. Press Features, press Driver Assistance, press Cruise Control, press Adaptive Cruise Control, press Lane Centering with hands-free. Ensure lane keeping system is on. Activate prompts should be enabled as well, so press Activation Prompts. Once you've done that, you won't have to go through those steps again unless you change any of those settings. To activate BlueCruise on the road, press the Adaptive Cruise Control button on the steering wheel. Once the system is active and detects a blue zone highway, your instrument panel will turn blue and a hands-free icon will appear. Then you can take your hands off the wheel. Just remember to keep your eyes on the road and always be prepared to resume control of the vehicle. To turn off BlueCruise, press either the Adaptive Cruise Control button or brake to deactivate the system. Lincoln vehicles equipped with BlueCruise 1.2 also feature Lane Change Assist. Just tap the turn signal to initiate the lane change in the direction you want, and once the system determines that the path is clear, it will actively perform the lane change for you. Lane Change Assist can also suggest lane change opportunities when driving behind slower vehicles and will make the maneuver for you if you confirm with a simple tap of the turn signal switch. In-lane repositioning enhances the BlueCruise 1.2 experience by automatically adjusting your vehicle within the lane and providing more space from vehicles in adjacent lanes. Predictive Speed Assist can automatically and smoothly adjust your vehicle's speed on select curves, keeping you feeling confident on the road. Thank you for watching.